Hello. We're gonna get something to eat. Is a suggestion? Can you tell us about?
Oh yeah, this is like I think one of the most famous Macanese restaurants. The food here is really incredible, and I really enjoy it. So let's go check it out.
And here's the name of it in Portuguese. In English, it's called Rickshaw. And then you have all these images right here. So we're gonna go in and take a look at it. Get some food. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So yeah, I got some really beautiful walls. Actually, I've read a lot about this, so this is actually really amazing that Iz suggested this, and I've read about it, and it's all Macanese food. So we're actually gonna find out. Let me see. Actually, there's nobody in here, so kind of unsure if we can even.
I think here might be good.
There's the old rickshaws as well. So yeah, this restaurant has a lot of history. So we're going to come on in, and we're going to have a seat at Rickshaw, get some Macanese food.
All right.
So check it all out. They're going to bring us the menu, so we'll actually we've got a little bit of flickering action in the lighting of this one.
Then you can make the adjustments to the camera. You know how?
Nope, but I'll learn in a second. Flickering is gone.
All right, fantastic.
Just show me the secret. Let's see what some of the stuff we got here. We got feijoada, minchi, chicken, caril de galinha, pork and banho maria. So these are all Macanese cuisines. Faca estofada.
The set comes with the caldo verde, or a Chinese soup, and it also comes with dessert. So the first few pages are part of the set menu, and then it gets into the a la carte. So.
Oh, okay.
I really like the minchi here.
Yeah, that one. I saw a new restaurant that has minchi in a pork chop bun. It's in Taipa. It's actually really good.
Oh, you tried it?
It's called My Messy Kitchen.
Okay.
It's not too far from you, I don't think. Yeah, I like it a lot. Ah, that looks really good right here. Beef grelhado. You might like that one, Kaya.
Maybe.
See what else. This one looks really. Actually, there's a lot of good ones. So, Portuguese rice, Portuguese bacalhau.
Here's the ultimate question.
Yeah.
Do we want to share, or do we want to each order our own?
I'm up for sharing. You want to share?
No.
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. That's fine. I don't know if you're a fan of this. Most Americans are not. So, you know what this is?
Tongue?
Yeah, ox tongue.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
So you may not want to share with me.
Yeah, I don't think so.
But the other option, I could also get the minchi.
Let's take a look. We'll see what we like,
Okay.
and then we'll see if they
Sure.
shareable.
Sure.
What just happened here?
We ate all this stuff, we ate everything, but then we forgot to film.
We forgot to film, so
Forgot to film
for you guys. So I had some really good beef. Here it is. This is a little bit of it, and just that was actually amazing. And these had some tongue, and that's feijoada, I think, or just some kind of soup. But yeah, so we actually forgot to film the food, but the film was the food was very good. So anyways,
Nothing to say.
Nothing else to say than that. Oh,
We're back. Wanted to share this is the egg pudding dessert. Kind of like a flan, actually, for me. Coming from Ecuador. It is definitely delicious, so we're good.
what was the soup right here?
This is ox tongue soup with like potatoes and carrots and some sort of sauce. It's quite good.
And so that was the beef tongue over there, and then so yeah, that was basically so.
But I do have to say that the minchi is still my favorite.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, next time.
Next time. And we're walking out. So we got out the rickshaw. I think that might be also part of the artwork as well. All right, so that was Rickshaw. And they got a little takeaway outside right here as well, which I think is the same food. And we're out into the streets.
Do you want to check around the corner?
Yeah. It says right there, Rickshaw and Macanese food. And
Yeah, it looks like it's closed today. The other restaurant's over here. So.
oh, okay. So this looks like it was Cozinha Aida. It has minchi as well. Cozinha Aida from Grandmother Aida. Oh yeah, this does look like it's maybe connected. So this was kind of saying that this kitchen might be connected to it.
Yeah, this is different now because I think this is also here. It looks like it's just a takeaway, but here is the restaurant. But I think they're closed on Tuesdays. No, sorry.
Okay.
Closed at 8, 9, 10, vacation.
So Cozinha Aida, let us know if you know anything about Cozinha Aida as well. Right next to the rickshaw. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.
Yeah.